Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about the construction of the Caymanas interchange. Now, Jamaica has highway networks, but there is no way the highways are not connected. So if you are on Highway 2000 east-west leg that takes you from Kingston to Negril, and you want to get onto Highway 2000 that takes you from Kingston to Trelawney, you have to exit off one highway and drive on a main road and then get onto the other highway. There is no interchange where you can seamlessly go from one highway to another. Now there are 2 points. Well, Kingston is the main city in Jamaica. A third of the population of Jamaica lives in Kingston. The areas, Kingston, Portmore, Spanish now. And all three areas are connected via Mandela Highway. And both highways are connected via Mandela Highway. So in the Caymanas area, which is where we are now, actually that is Highway 2000 east-west leg on the left. Straight ahead, that's Mandela Highway. So somewhere out here, you're going to be able to go from the highway on the left to Highway 2000 north-south leg, which is further down on the right. So somewhere out here, a major interchange called the Caymanas Interchange is going to be built. Now, the project was to have started in the 2023-24 fiscal year, but it has not started yet, but it is something that's needed. Now, on the right, that is the exit ramp from Highway 2000 east-west leg. So let's say you got on the highway in Mandeville and you want to go to Ocho Rios on the highway. You have to go from Mandeville to Kingston, exit here on the right, go all the way down on Mandela Highway, which is the road straight ahead, that long road, and by ferry you turn around and get on the other side of Mandela Highway, head down Mandela, and then get on Highway 2000 east-west leg. So it's very impractical, especially since Mandela Highway is the busiest road in Jamaica. If you try to do that journey during peak hour, it could take you over an hour. That's the exit ramp, that's the highway there. So they are going to build an interchange here where you can come off the highway and go directly on a ramp that takes you over to Highway 2000 north-south leg. It is needed. Definitely needed. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on what the government plans to do. Additionally, government plans to build the Caymanas Highway interchange to facilitate connection to the east, west, and north-south legs of highways without exiting. Presently, users on either toll road are forced to exit onto the Mandela Highway if they intend to access the other toll road. This inefficiency will be resolved with the design and construction of a full-grade, separated interchange between the north-south highway and the east-west highway in the Caymanas vicinity, with the pre-construction work slated for the financial year 2023-24. This is just one step in a long-term plan to build out a fully connected road network across Jamaica that allows users to move seamlessly across the island, the Prime Minister stated. So that is the plan. So guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. Have a good day.